Hi to my dear panel, my UTEM panel, also my industry panel. My name is Muhammad Ifran Fahmi bin Samsukama. My course is Computer Engineering with honor. Okay, today with my record, I would like to demonstrate about my project. My project is self-checkout with hybrid method. Yes, that combination of barcode and computer vision. So let me show it. To begin the demonstration, I will first access the system wirelessly. Since the Raspberry Pi 5 is deployed as an embedded edge device, I'm using a remote desktop to access its interface over the local network. They allow for the headless operation. While the system boot up, let me briefly explain the hardware architecture. The brain of the prototype is the Raspberry Pi 5 with 8GB RAM. We specifically choose the 8GB model to ensure the smooth parallel processing to handling the operation system, the neural network and the graphical interface seamlessly without bottleneck. And after that, the webcam here, the vision input is provided by the standard HD webcam. It's captured the live environment and stream data to the our custom racial glossary dataset model, which we train especially to recognize the local product packaging that we interpret into the Raspberry Pi here. Meaning the kiosk does not need a dedicated keyboard or mouse attached to it. For my dear panel, if you can see here that I will activate the isolation environment for I to start my program. Okay, I've entered my environment. That name is library. Okay, so let's go to our system. It started.
Selamat datang. Sila letakkan barang
out
anda
the
di
sound.
kamera.
So this is the display of my system.
Maggi Curry 4.50. Maggi Curry 4.50. Pengurus diperlukan. Padam Maggi Curry. Jumlah bayaran RM4.50. Terima kasih, sila datang lagi.
Okay, at the last part for the final, this is my dashboard for my system. If my dear panel can see here, my dashboard is the function of my dashboard is from the what the customer buying. The data will be sent here for the client to see, to show them how good, how optimist my system is. If my dear panel can see is, I have the filter of the confidence level that scanning, how many percent. If you can see here, the default is 50%. And if you see at the right side here, we have the title, total revenue, item sold, average accuracy, and low confidence from this lah. If you can see here, below 50, we not have item that below 50. So that's why it's very good. So if you can see here, the sell trend over time here, we can see here the peak hour here around at 4 o'clock. Also here, also we have around 3 o'clock here. But if you can see full screen here, also can. And after that, we will go to the sale by product category that people buying. If you can see here, people is buying facial tissue, is very many. And we have Maggi Curry, Colgate, also Maggi Cukup Rasa, also Gardenia bread. Okay, if we can see here, this is a system accuracy gauge. You can see here, the average will show here, but this is the average. You can see here from 0 to 39 is low confident, 40 to around 60 or 70 is medium, and around 70 to 100 is high confident. So we can see here, this also the transaction about the item that customer is buying. Okay, let's get to the technical part. What if we tweak a bit the confidence level? We go up to into 80. No, we go a little bit 80. Okay, we see here. We go to 80 first. Okay, 81. Okay, we see here. The only up to 81% confidence, we see only total level 643. This is the false that's below 81% confident. You can see here every year there's different lah from before. But what if we tweak a little bit? See, it's go down. Only 12 item is up into 85%. And here, all the lower confident. And you can see here, same. So we can see here the confidence level. Also, what if we tweak a little bit? See the confidence. See the confident, the more we go up, the total review will be lower. So he will calculate only the item is higher the total confidence that will filter. So that's all for my video demonstration, and thank you for listening, and bye bye.